Welcome to Boracay, a jewel in the Philippines, celebrated worldwide for its pristine beaches, azure waters, and captivating landscapes. But beneath the shimmering surface lies a rich history and a vibrant culture that dates back centuries.
Uy! Uy! Uy!
Long before Boracay became a global paradise, it was home to the Ati tribe.
Ako'y ati.
Ako'y ati.
Ako'y ati.
Ako ay ati.
With roots deep in the island soil, the Ati people lived a simple yet profound life. Their caves adorned with banana leaves, surviving through hunting, fishing, and the bounties of nature. Welcome to Ati Village, our humble home, the home of our ancestors' legacy and traditions. Nestled in the beautiful island of Boracay, a living testament to a culture steeped in tradition.
Dahil ang gusto po namin, ang kultura namin sa noon pa man ay maibigay na namin yan sa mga anak namin o sa mga apo.
Here, every dance, every song, every ritual tells a story of resilience and connection to the land. The Ati people are the guardians of this sacred island. In 1997, the Boracay Ati Tribal Organization emerged to unite the scattered Ati communities. Through collaboration and determination, they secured their ancestral domain, their lupaing ninuno. In 2011 and 2018, the Ati community received the Certificate of Ancestral Domain Title and Certificate of Land Ownership Award. These documents symbolize their rightful ownership of approximately 5 hectares of scattered land in Barangay Manok Manok. Now, as you explore Boracay, we invite you to embrace the Ati culture. Visit our village, experience their traditions, and support their community by purchasing Ati local products.
Sana po ay tuloy-tuloy ang pagbisita o pagdalaw sa amin niya Ati community. Dahil gustong-gusto pa po namin niya makilala pag kami lubos ng ibang tao.
Let us celebrate the Ati tribe, the original guardians of this paradise. In Boracay, the beauty isn't just in the beaches. It's in the people, culture, and traditions that make this island truly extraordinary. Come, be a part of the Ati story and let the magic of Boracay unfold before you.